Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is shaping up to be the most revolutionary year yet. From smarter virtual assistants to AI-generated influencers, we're entering a new digital era. In this video, we're breaking down the top AI trends to watch in 2025, and how they could impact your life, business, or career. Let's dive in. First up, autonomous AI agents. These aren't just chatbots. They're fully independent digital workers. Tools like OpenAI's AutoGPT and Agent GPT can plan, reason, and take action without constant human input. Imagine telling an agent to grow your YouTube channel, and it writes your scripts, schedules posts, and tracks results. In 2025, expect businesses to hire more AI agents than junior staff. Next, we have hyper-personalized AI. AI systems are learning more about you, from your interests to your tone of voice. This powers things like custom video scripts, emails, workout plans, even fashion suggestions. It's all about using data to deliver unique, ultra-relevant results in real time. And yes, privacy debates will only heat up. The faceless content era is here, and it's exploding. AI video tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and HeyGen let anyone create professional videos without showing their face or recording their voice. Combine this with 11 Labs voice cloning or DID avatars, and you've got a fully automated video studio. In 2025, creators, educators, and marketers will rely heavily on these tools to scale faster and cheaper. Trend number 4, AI-driven automation across every industry. In finance, AI will handle fraud detection and risk analysis. In marketing, it'll write ad copy, analyze customer behavior, and run entire campaigns. In e-commerce, AI agents will run customer service 24/7. 2025 will be the year of full-stack automation powered by AI, making small businesses act like big ones. Finally, we're seeing the rise of AI creators and influencers. Virtual influencers like Lil Miquela have millions of followers, and they don't even exist. AI tools can now generate realistic voices, faces, and entire brand personalities. These digital influencers are being used in ads, music videos, and even live streams. As brands chase engagement, expect to see more AI celebrities entering your feed. AI is no longer science fiction. It's here, learning, working, and even creating beside us. 2025 will be a defining year for those who adapt, experiment, and embrace this technology. So, which AI trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more future-focused videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.